The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Parker County in north central Texas, central Wise County in north central Texas until 6:15 p.m. At 5:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Springtown, or 11 miles north of Weatherford, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: ping-pong ball-size hail with 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Decatur, Bridgeport, Briar, Springtown, Albert, New Fairview, Boyd, Chico, Paradise, Poolville, Cottondale, and Wake Bridgeport. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Fort Worth.